Hello Bladers! With the terrible heat we experience here in the Philippines, it isn't a surprise that the aircon is a necessary feature for most people who use a car. It has become a vital part in order to enjoy a comfortable drive. However, nothing is perfect. Even if your aircon can be a lifesaver, it can also be a pain sometimes. Specifically, we're talking about the times when your aircon leaks. But don't worry, cause it is in fact avoidable. You just need to be on the lookout for these things to make sure your car's aircon won't leak. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. If you're about to go to bed and want to avoid nightmares, you might want to put off what you're doing tomorrow morning. If you're about to get in the car, stay tuned and watch this video. Here's a list of causes of aircon leaks. Number 1. Clogged evaporator drain. A clogged evaporator drain can cause aircon leaks. Make sure that the drain doesn't have any sediments or debris to avoid leakage. Number 2. Damaged seals. Like all things, when we constantly use something, they usually get worn out. Seals that are too worn out can cause leakage. So make sure you also ask your service guy to check on it when you bring your car maintained. Number 3. Corroded evaporator core. When the core has too much rust, water will start to leak. As such, better avoid having rust to the corroded evaporator core to avoid any problems related to leakage. Number 4. Why does my aircon have weak airflow? There are a lot of factors that directly resonates to why you have a weak airflow, and trust me, every car enthusiast feels your pain and discomfort. The sweat alone is enough to drive any of us crazy given the hot climate in the Philippines. If you notice reduced airflow early on, take the right step and have it looked at before other fatal aircon system damage can occur. Number 5. Primary causes of weak airflow. Mold or mildew may have accumulated in the evaporator core from residual moisture that occurs during the cooling process. When this happens, air will have trouble reaching your air vents. The ventilation fan is fried. If the fan's not blowing, air won't be flowing very well. A hose has come loose. This usually happens with the blower hose that supplies the air to the blower unit. Core case seals, blower house seals or evaporator core case seals all can open up and diminish airflow. Aircon ventilation systems are very sensitive and must remain sealed. Once they're opened, the whole system is compromised. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the aircon maintenance you had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.